The process of translocation is an attempt to accelerate the reestablishment of red-cockaded woodpeckers across the range. In the spring of the year, nestlings are color banded and marked on source populations such as Fort Benning. Those nestlings then become fledges and juveniles on the landscape. We capture them after they've been identified during the day. We measure and make sure that they're appropriate bird. We put them in a box. We drive them to the population that we're trying to reestablish. Recruitment clusters are placed on the landscape, and so recruitment clusters are places where there's suitable habitat but there are no cavities, and so we install cavities in trees that then we take the birds from the source populations. So we drive them to the population that we're trying to reestablish. We place them in a tree that's a cavity's been established in them, and then we release them in the morning. We've moved a total of 12 birds this year, 4 last night from Fort Benning and 8 from Eglin Air Force Base the previous week. Yeah, it looks clean. We're doing this to reach recovery and lead to the delisting of the red-cockaded woodpecker in the southeast. And we're growing small populations by moving birds from established populations to ones that are in the process of recovery. We are succeeding by reestablishing populations and growing established populations across the southeast, which will lead to recovery and delisting of the red-cockaded woodpecker.